Are you dreaming of studying in Europe but worried about the high tuition costs? You're not alone. Many Nigerian students are now turning to Luxembourg, a small but powerful European country offering quality education at affordable rates. Hi, I'm Betty, an immigration consultant at Law and Visas, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to find affordable universities in Luxembourg and how to apply for a student visa from Nigeria. Let's start with the basics. Luxembourg may be small, but its universities are recognized across Europe. The most popular public institution is the University of Luxembourg, known for its international programs, affordable tuition, and multilingual education system. Tuition fees at public universities in Luxembourg are relatively low compared to countries like the UK, Canada, or the US. You can expect to pay around €200 to €400 per semester. Yes, you heard that right, as low as €400. So, how do you find the right school and program? Start by identifying your preferred course, whether it's in business, finance, engineering, or humanities. Look for programs taught in English, especially at the bachelor's and master's levels. You'll find most course listings directly on the official websites of the universities. Pay attention to admission requirements, language of instruction, application deadlines, and whether the school is public or private. Once you've selected your program, it's time to apply. Prepare your academic documents, WEC or NECO results, your OND, HND or bachelor's degree if applying for postgraduate study, academic transcripts, proof of language proficiency, IELTS may be required depending on the course. Now let's talk about the Luxembourg student visa. To apply, you must first receive an admission letter from a recognized institution in Luxembourg. Then you'll apply for an authorization to stay. That's the first step. Once you get the authorization, you proceed to the Luxembourg Embassy or Consulate for your Type D visa. This visa allows you to enter Luxembourg as a student. Important documents for your visa application include admission letter from the university, proof of payment or scholarship, proof of accommodation in Luxembourg, proof of sufficient financial means, minimum €789 per month, travel health insurance, police clearance certificate, and a valid international passport. Always remember, visa fees and financial requirements may change, so it's best to check the latest updates before applying. At Law and Visas, we help you from start to finish, school selection, application, document preparation, and visa filing. We know what immigration officers are looking for, and we help you meet those expectations. If you're serious about studying in Luxembourg without breaking the bank, now is the time to act. Follow us on social media at Law and Visas for more up-to-date information, visa tips, and exclusive guidance. Want help with your application? Reach out to us today to book a consultation. Let's turn your study goals into reality. Your journey to Luxembourg starts with the right guidance, and we're here to make sure you don't miss a step.